What if the most successful tech investor you've never heard of just made a massive U-turn on a company everyone thought was winning the AI race? We're talking about a move that could signal a seismic shift in the future of artificial intelligence. You know how everyone talks about the AI revolution? The incredible demand for powerful chips that make generative AI possible? Well, for the past year or so, companies like AMD and Nvidia have been riding that wave to astronomical heights, creating astonishing returns for investors. And one of the sharpest minds in tech investment, Philippe Laffont, who runs the hedge fund Coatue management, was right there with them. Laffont isn't just any investor. We're talking about someone whose fund has outmaneuvered the S&P 500 by nearly 100 percentage points over the last 3 years. He has a knack for spotting the next big thing, and for a while, AMD was definitely on his radar. He bulked up his position significantly in late 2022 and early 2023, seeing the potential of those powerful GPUs. At its peak, AMD even became Coatue's third-largest public equity holding. But here's where the story takes an unexpected turn. Despite AMD's seemingly unstoppable rise, Laffont has been quietly, yet dramatically, paring back his stake. Since mid-2023, he's trimmed a staggering 89% of his AMD position. Think about that. A colossal bet suddenly reversed. And while he also cut back on Nvidia, shedding about 77% of that stake since early 2023, he even added some Nvidia shares back last quarter, while continuing to offload AMD, trimming another 53% of what little remained. Now, the timing of this move raises some eyebrows, because if you've been following the chip world, you know AMD just made some serious headlines. We recently heard about a massive multi-year deal with OpenAI, who will reportedly buy up to 6 gigawatts of AMD's GPUs. To sweeten the pot, AMD even offers OpenAI warrants to buy shares for each gigawatt purchased. This isn't just a sale, it's a powerful vote of confidence from a titan of AI, giving AMD a major customer and an investor all in one go. And that deal? It's a huge endorsement for AMD's upcoming MI450 GPU platform. AMD's leadership has made bold claims, suggesting this platform will not only compete, but actually outperform Nvidia's next-gen Rubin platform in both AI training and inference. If AMD delivers on that promise, it could grab significant market share in the data center, directly challenging Nvidia's dominance. It's like AMD isn't just building a faster car. They're claiming their new model will leave the reigning champion in the dust. So, with all this momentum, why would one of the smartest investors effectively walk away from AMD? It appears Laffont isn't just looking at the current frontrunners. His gaze has shifted to a foundational piece of the AI puzzle. He's reportedly now focusing on a key semiconductor company that provides the underlying technology, the crucial blueprints, if you will, for these new AI data center chips. This isn't about owning the factories that produce the chips, but rather owning the intellectual property, the very architecture that makes those chips intelligent in the first place. It's a subtle but profound pivot. Instead of betting on the chipmakers selling the finished product, Laffont seems to be placing his chips on the company that designs the very DNA of future AI silicon. It's like moving from investing in the finished car to investing in the company that invented the internal combustion engine itself. This signals a belief that the real leverage, the true bottleneck and opportunity in the next phase of AI, lies not just in manufacturing power, but in the fundamental architecture enabling the next generation of AI processing. So, what does Laffont's bold move tell us about the future of AI chips? Is he seeing something we're not? Are the foundational layers of AI processing about to become the new battleground? Or is this simply a strategic profit take before a new wave? We're curious to know what you think. Let us know your insights, and be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the tech stories that truly matter.